This Zwilling Spirit 8-inch nonstick pan is like a reliable friend in your kitchen. It's made with stainless steel and has a special ceramic coating. This means food won't easily stick. And cleanup is a breeze. You can cook eggs, pancakes, and even sear chicken without much fuss. It's a good size for everyday cooking tasks. And it won't take up too much space on your countertop. The Zwilling Spirit 8-inch nonstick pan heats up quickly and evenly because of its aluminum core. This helps your food cook properly without hot spots. The handle is made of Bakelite, so it stays cool to the touch. And it's easy to grip. Washing this pan is simple. A washcloth and some soap will do the trick. While it's not meant for bakeware, it's perfect for stovetop cooking across a range of temperatures. If you purchase this Zwilling Spirit 8-inch nonstick pan, you'll find it's a dependable tool. It's not the fanciest pan, but it does its job well. It's a solid choice for anyone needing a nonstick surface without exaggeration. The delarlo of delicious meals starts with a good pan. And this Zwilling Spirit 8-inch nonstick pan fits the bill. It offers good value for its count, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. Pros: ceramic coating, stainless steel, heats evenly, quick heating, easy to clean, stay cool. Handle: no PFOA, PTFE, durable, oven safe, induction ready. Cons: some say it sticks, not for high heat, handle feels heavy, quality concerns raised, non-stick. Fades fast, scratches easily reported, food sticks after use, balance may worsen, coating wore quickly, received pan scratched. Features: 8-inch size, ceramic material, 3-ply clad base, even heating, stay cool handle, flared rim. Induction ready, oven safe to 400 degrees F. This 8-inch Zwilling Spirit Energy Plus fry pan has a non-stick ceramic coating, so food won't stick easily. It's made with 3 layers of metal for even heating and has a handle that stays cool while you cook. The edge is shaped for easy pouring, and you can use it on any kind of stovetop, even induction. Plus, it's safe to put in the oven up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This Zwilling Spirit Energy Plus 8-inch fry pan is made with stainless steel and has a ceramic nonstick coating. It's supposed to heat food evenly and quickly. And it's easy to clean with a stay cool handle. It doesn't have harmful chemicals and is durable, safe for ovens, and works on induction cooktops. However, some people have said that food can stick to it, especially at high heat, and the handle might feel heavy. There have also been some worries about the quality, with reports of the nonstick coating fading or scratching easily, and food sticking after some use. The pan's balance might get worse over time, and the coating could wear out quickly, with some even receiving pans that were already scratched.